Hi everybody, welcome to a video walkthrough of how to post a job for on-campus student employment in Handshake. First, you're going to be logging into your Handshake account and clicking Post a Job. You are automatically linked to the Los Monanos College Student Employment Company. Your department or your division is preloaded in here. So you will be creating a new job. Students, we recommend that you have applications through Handshake. That will ensure that you are only accepting applications from LMC students. It allows you to track applications more easily, and then you don't have to have an external online application system. So here is going to be your job title. Your department or your division should be here. If it's not here, let Rachel know, she can add it. Transferring career services. You can have your name show or not show. Job type, on-campus student employment. It will be part-time and it will be temporary or seasonal. Here you're going to be listing your start date and end date. Work study job is asking about federal work study, so you can either say yes or no. You'll be putting your job description here. This is a test. We recommend putting as much information as possible in this area. I'll have a few examples for you soon. This is a tricky part of the job posting, is selecting what kind of roles you're looking for. We're not able to customize this section at this time, so the options that are here are the options that are preset by Handshake. There will be some obvious ones like tutors. There will be some complicated ones however, just know that this is a section that I'm working on. How many students you're hoping to hire for the position, how much it is paying, whether there's a specific location, like 2700 East Leland Road, and whether this is a remote position as well. You can also ask students to upload a resume, a cover letter, a transcript, or other documents. This page is set up to be primarily for external employers who are trying to hire college graduates or soon-to-be graduates. My recommendation here is to not answer anything that is optional because they usually don't qualify or don't matter to community college students. So graduation date range, leave blank. School years, leave blank. GPA, optional, that is your choice. Major categories, again, optional in your choice. And here is application package recipients. This is who will be receiving the applications. Because of my settings, I don't see myself here, but you can select yourself and other folks if other folks are going to be reviewing the applications. Oh, I'm already listed here, that's why. So I can either have my settings so that I receive an email every time a student applies, or a summary once my job opening expires. This is where we'll be saying that this is listed to Los Monanos College. I want applications to open now and applications to close. We'll say on Friday. And then a preview.